क्या ఇప్పటిదాకా కింద నుంచి ఉన్నాం మాస్టారు. కింద నుంచి ఇప్పటిదాకా ఆ స్మోక్ చూసే పైకి తెలీదు, పొగలు వచ్చేస్తున్నాయి ఏంటని పైకి వచ్చాము. అప్పటికంటే పోయి అవును ఇక్కడ హోమం చేస్తారు కదా. Been a long time and no fire. No problem. Oh, it's been a big cloud, yeah. How it's raining and how it's catching up the other side. Yeah.
It's a very black fire, black smoke is coming from all over the places. And you can see the people here, people standing outside, they are getting panicked and they are evacuating the building slowly over here. You can see in the ground floor, the people are getting out of it.
Yeah.
And I'm not sure where is the firefighters still here and have anybody informed them or not, but it's getting worse time by time.
I see no fire person maybe.
Yet we are not able to see any fire person yet.
See, the other side is also catching the fire.
Yeah, now the whole building is going to get captured with a fire.
And people are coming outside who are doing puja.
Yeah. The root cause of the fire has been someone doing some jata or puja over there and just
Go back to your desk, get out of the building.